Hi friends, so today we are going to make these creepy tiki torches and they're only going to cost us a couple dollars. I love how they turned out and they're again so easy to make. I am loving these Halloween crafts, so make sure you check back because we're trying to do one every single day in October. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, so here we're just opening the tiki torches. I bought these on clearance at Walmart for $1, guys. $1. Super great deal right now. So I am just measuring the base. Now, come to find out I needed to make it a lot bigger, but that's where we're starting, right? It gives us a good idea. Now, this box cutter is from the Dollar Tree, and it works so well, guys. It just cuts really well. Now, around the jaw of the skull, it's a little bit thicker, and I was just making sure that I didn't like cut myself or whatever, so I do end up coming back and using my scissors on part of it, but as you can see right here, it's just a little bit thicker through that jaw area, but the other part, oh my gosh, it cuts like butter. It really does cut really well. Now here you can see that I am realizing that I measured from the bottom of the can, and the bottom of the can doesn't have a lip like the top of the can. And in just a few more minutes you're going to see that I realize that it not only has to go over that, but it needs to go over that basket as well. So we're going to do several times here. We're going to go back and try to fit it and cut it bigger and cut it bigger. I was so worried about getting it too big. I was afraid it was going to be loose, and guys, it really just isn't the case. I think you can cut it pretty much as big as you want, and even if it's a little big, it's going to fit just fine. So don't be afraid to cut off the whole bottom of that. Now once I got that to where I think I want it, I'm just kind of drawing where I think that I want the top. Now here I broke the tip of my box cutter, and I hadn't used that one before, it was new, so I couldn't quite get it to come apart, and I was afraid of like breaking it more, so I waited for my husband to help me get that all straightened out, but I was able to get it, just break off the piece a little while later. But anyway, here I am just kind of, again, this is something that in hindsight, you know how that works, right? And I really should have filmed, I made 2 of these. I should have filmed the second one. Why do I always film the first one when I'm trying things out? Well, that way you guys can see what not to do, right? In hindsight, I could have cut it a lot bigger also. So, yep, here we go, just trimming. Now I'm taking the tiki torches outside, and this is just my little makeshift paint stand out here. You can see I'm just using some black Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I am just giving these a quick spray paint with the black. And in the magic of video, look, now they're done. Nobody wants to watch paint dry, so I skipped all that for you. But again, we're fitting these on here, and again, it could have been a little bit bigger, and I'll show you in just a minute. But oh my gosh, aren't they looking so cute already? Is cute a good word to describe these? I'm not sure, but I love them. I'm just getting his head to fit on, just kind of where I want it, just move it around. And again, could have cut the hole a little bit bigger. It's okay. Here he is outside. Oh my gosh, I love him. So I went ahead and lit it. Now you can see, since my hole was a little bit small, it is melting the top of that skull a little bit. And we stood outside and watched to make sure it didn't like catch on fire. It actually just made it creepy. And again, do this outside, which you should do this outside anyway because it's on fire. But melted plastic is like toxic, so you don't want to be right next to it. So this is what it looked like after like burning quite a while, and doesn't it look even more creepy? And now at this point it's not melting anymore. Oh, there's my son saying hey, and it looks so cool. Here it is after that, guys, and again, it's no longer melting. It's just, so cut that hole just a little bit bigger, and it will even if it melts just a little bit, again, just make sure it's outside and you're not standing right next to it. I'm kind of zoomed in. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a quick, $2 project. So fun. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next craft video. Bye, guys.